Yosh.
Hi people, today we're gonna do a wet and dry refrigerator tour.
Yosh.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is the wet.
That's the... No.
No. That's the dry.
This one is the dry refrigerator. And that one is wet. So why it's wet?
Wet.
Yeah. That one is wet. Why is wet?
It's wet because we store in the refrigerator that it's turning on.
Oh,
This
okay.
one is turning on. This one is turning off.
That's why it's dry.
That's why it's dry. No need to be refrigerated, so it's not too on. Just this big one is on. All our things.
What's inside?
Shumai.
Shumai.
Leah loves shumai. There's pizza in the Tupperware. There's the
Lechon manok.
lechon manok.
Yeah, from Costco.
This package is much better than the previous.
Yeah. That's why I was also thinking that if it's the same.
Less space. Bro, actually, this tokuan that I don't know what is this.
It's bok choy or bit choy.
Well, cheese,
You don't have to put it out.
a lot of yogurt.
Yeah, good for 5 days.
A lot of yogurt, kaki,
Natto.
chicken.
That's meat
Lechon.
for the lunch. And here are the...
All mixed.
It's all mixed because it's all used it.
Egg. This is Sprite too.
Sprite for cooking, milk.
Leah is using for cooking this. Butter. That's it.
Ginger. Yeah, natto. Yeah. Ang paborito ng lahat. Everybody's favorite. Natto.
Of course. Everybody loves natto.
Yeah, we also have leftover natto here. This is cheese cream and kaki. We bought that last week pa. And some leftover food there. And yeah, tofu, udon, tomato. This is meat. I will cook this tomorrow. And yosh. There's more in the freezer.
In the freezer?
Yeah, what's in the freezer?
Minced meat.
Minced meat. It's all minced meat. There's kwan pala. There's still meat there. I bought that now.
Pork meat.
It's pork meat.
That's it.
It used to be full of ice cream here. A box of ice creams when it was summer.
It's not hot anymore. We're not buying.
Yeah, we also have muffin. 2 packs of muffins here. Because it was, if you buy 2, it's only 1,300 for 2. For 2 packs. For 2 box. And the dry ref.
That's the dry.
So this is our dry. So these are our... Show it. This is our dry refrigerator. We call it dry refrigerator because it's not on. It's turned off. So these are ito yung mga grocery ko na dito ko nilalagay lahat. Yung mga pinag-grocery ko. Kasi lagi ako nag-grocery ng marami para hindi na ako mag-grocery pa pag may nakalimutan ako. So dito ko nilalagay yung mga nakastock namin na grocery. Yung mga hindi na kailangan ilagay sa ref na naka-turn on. So dito ko nilalagay. So yung mga hindi na kailangan i-refrigerate. So, ayan. Hindi ko na isa-isahin ba? Marami yan. You pause it first. So, ayan, marami to. Ito pang baking ko to. Nilagay ko to dito. Actually, itong fridge na to, binili pala to ni Kayo nung sa ibang apartment siya tumira. So, ito, binili ko to sa ano, in-order ko to sa Filipino shops. Tapos, itong black beans. So, ito. Yung iba dito, mga in-order ko sa Filipino shop. Tapos, yung iba naman, binili ko lang sa supermarket. Tapos, ito, may bay leaves. Ayan. Shushu. Tapos, suka. Sa Filipino shop ko rin yan na, nabili. So, yan. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga pang-baking ko. Tapos, mga pang-grocery nga na, extra. Ito, kare. Japanese kare to na cubes. Ayan lang.